when we look at cooking, what cooking tends to do is it tends to stick things together, rather, yeah? It tends to cook things together, stick things together. And when we look at proteins, we consider, well, proteins are like a house. If you can imagine a house, I'm sure you can, and it's made of bricks, yeah? Now, when those bricks are taken into our body, they tend to go into our body as we've chewed them up, which is as an entire house. And our body has to break it down in order to liberate each and every brick. Because we can't use a protein house as it is. We have to break it down into its rubble. We have to use its individual bricks. And these bricks are called amino acids. And once we've got the rubble and the individual bricks, we can remake proteins that we need for our bodies. Does that make sense? Yeah? Now, you have to take into your body the protein as a whole, but when you've broken it down, you know, you've got the bricks. The problem comes that when we heat proteins, things called enzyme-resistant bonds form between the bricks. And so instead of passing into our bloodstream individual bricks, as it should be, what passes in are these big chunks of rubble, yeah? And these big chunks of rubble are called polypeptides. And particularly with people with leaky guts, they will get massive pieces of rubble passing through into their bloodstream. But even in people with relatively healthy guts, they will also suffer from these cooked chunks of rubble that you can't break apart passing through into the system. Now, as soon as the body recognizes these strange big lumps of rubble going around, it goes into red alert, invaders, invaders, unknown things in the bloodstream, and it stimulates the action of our defenses, and our defenses create inflammation. Things called prostaglandins create inflammation. And suddenly we find that we've got inflamed joints.